have brought to you an exclusive opportunity of approximately 30 vacancies, that too with a remuneration of 80,000 to 1,75,000 per month. Freshers and experienced doctors also meeting the eligibility criteria. The last date to apply for this post is 20th of February. Hello everyone, welcome back to MedPrep by Academically, and I have brought to you an exclusive opportunity of approximately 30 vacancies, that too with a remuneration of 80,000 to 1,75,000 per month in the District Mineral Foundation, Odisha. Absolutely. So who can apply, the eligibility, what is the salary, how you can apply, the application process, everything we are going to discuss in this video. So stay tuned till the end. The first thing that we can see over here, the roles and responsibilities, obviously in accordance with the allied healthcare professional and paramedical staff, communicating, bringing in your clinical expertise and handling the patient records and documentation. Who is eligible? If you have an MBBS degree from the Medical Council of India, MCI, on the NMC, National Medical Council, you are absolutely eligible for this post. There are 30 vacancies, freshers and experienced doctors also meeting the eligibility criteria. So they haven't asked for any experience. Even if you're a fresher post your internship, you can apply for this post, provided if you have an experience, it will be an advantage. It's not mandatory, it is not compulsory. But हाँ, अगर आपके पास experience होगा, that will give you a brownie points. About the company, so DMJ Jaipur is a government-backed body. It is one of the government-backed body, let me tell you, which works towards the welfare of the initiatives. The last date to apply for this post is 20th of February. So whenever, if you are going to this post on jobsly.com, at the end you'll find the official notification link direct from the website. So here you can see that the DMF, the District Mineral Foundation, so it is Odisha as well as Jaipur. All right, let me be clear with that aspect. There are a lot of community health centers and primary health centers at the Sukinda and Danagadi block. So over here, there are a lot of vacancies right from the GDMO to the healthcare expert. So let us see. Over here, the first post that you can see is the obstetrics and gynecology specialist. That is the pregnant lady dealing with the lactating, breastfeeding ladies and gynecology problem. Pediatric specialist, whereby you will be dealing with all the pediatric population out there. Medicine specialist, you need to be an MD in medicine, internal medicine, PSM, any of the backgrounds, but you need to be an MD for the same. Then you have a surgery specialist. Definitely, if you are getting into surgeries, you have to sit back straight for 72 hours, 48 hours monotonously. But if it's your passion, then there are two posts out for you. And the main one, which is the GDMO, General Duty Medical Officer. So over here you have 21 posts, and the locations are at the PHCs at all of these locations and CHCs at both of these locations. So over here you can find that you need to have an MBBS degree from a recognized MCI college, which is approved by the Medical Council, and remuneration of 80,000 rupees. You can earn as a medical officer 80,000 rupees. So this is a very, very great opportunity for you. Another thing, he or she must have registration from the Odisha Council of Medical Registration. So if your college is in Odisha and that college in Odisha is approved by the NMC, you are absolutely eligible for this post. And other details are mentioned in the video and this PDF as well, and the link for this PDF is attached in the description box. So go quickly, apply for this post. There are just 30 posts available. 20th February is the last date. You need to send your applications via this email, that is the District Mineral Foundation Jaipur @gmail.com, with all your documents, and there will be a slot between 10:30 to 12, whereby you will have to go for the document verification. So wishing all the medicos a great day, a great future ahead, and stay connected with MedPrep by Academically, Akram sir and Payam sir, for more such upcoming updates, notification, recruitments, because in less span of time, you'll get a comprehensive 360 information on this channel. Thank you so much, everybody.